Hello everyone, my name is Nishal Lourduraj. I am from Chennai. I completed my BE Mechanical Engineering in Chennai and I was very interested to join in IT sector but I didn't find enough opportunities. And while searching through a job, I found to know about Evision Technoserve, which provides online job internship program in networking. After I going through research, I have joined Evision to gain my skills, where the trainers was very well knowledged and they provide good practical exposure in each topic and also clear every doubts whenever they possible. And also they provide placement training and opportunities. After 45 days of training in Evision, I finally got job offer in Kaizen IT Services with decent package with the help of Evision placement team. And I am recommending everyone to join Evision and also once again thanking Evision for fulfilling my dreams.